Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix DXGI Error Driver internal error in Silent Hill 2. So here are some several effective solutions that players have found helpful. Now the first solution is update graphic drivers. Ensure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. This can crucial as outdated drivers can lead to various issues including internal errors. Once you update your driver, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, the next solution that you can try is verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the Silent Hill 2 game, then click on the gear icon of your game, then go to game properties, then click on the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then disable full screen optimization. So simply open up the Steam and go to your game properties. Now just click on the install files. So once you click on that, now just click on the browser option on the top. Now here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and click on the property. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box out, disable full screen optimization and also run as administrator. Then click on the apply. Now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is change graphic setting. Lower the in-game graphic setting to see if this alleviates the issue. Sometimes demanding setting can trigger these errors. Then relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then adjust DirectX setting. You can try switching between DirectX 11 and DirectX 12 in the game setting. So simply open up the Steam, then go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now just type here the minus DX11. Once you type it, just launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If not, then completely close the game, then go to the properties of your game. Now here in the launch option, just type minus G3D11. Once you type the minus D3D11, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the properties again and remove this launch option. So once you remove the launch option, now the next solution that you can try is check for background application. Make sure there are no other application running that might be conflicting with the game, especially other graphic heavy application. Now make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. So simply open up the task manager and guys here simply close all unnecessary background application. Make a right click on all of these, then click on the end task. If your problem is still not fixed, then clean reinstall of the game. If all else fails, then uninstalling and reinstalling the game can sometimes resolve resistant errors. So try all of the solution and see which preferred you and which fixes your problem. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video. And bye bye and take care.